Women are having UFE procedures, but nobody is telling them how hard recovery can feel if the body is not properly supported. If you're scared about pain, swelling, inflammation, or your fibroids coming back after UFE, listen carefully to this. There are things you should do before and after the procedure to help your body recover better. Here are 5 important steps. Step 1. Prepare your body before the procedure. Your body heals better when it has the right support. Focus on hydration, minerals, rest, and nourishing foods before your procedure. Your body needs strength to recover properly. Step 2. Lower inflammation before and after. Too much sugar, processed foods, and junk food can increase inflammation in the body, and inflammation can make recovery harder. Try to keep your meals simple and supportive. Step 3. Support your gut health. Many women with fibroids also struggle with bloating, constipation, or poor digestion. Your gut helps remove hormones and waste from the body. A healthier gut can support better healing. Step 4. Move gently after the procedure. Once your doctor says it is safe, gentle walking can help circulation and recovery. Do not rush back into intense workouts too quickly. Your body needs time to heal. Step 5. Keep supporting your body after UFE. UFE treats the blood supply to the fibroid, but you still need to support the body environment after the procedure. Hormones, inflammation, stress, liver health, and nutrition still matter. Your body is always trying to heal. It just needs the right support. If this video helped you, subscribe to this channel and share this video with a woman that needs it.